everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1967 Plymouth GTX. Great little car, guys. Car's out of North Carolina, spent its whole life down there. The gentleman we bought this car from has owned this car since 1986. Very original car. It has been repainted, but as you walk around this car, we show you this car, you're going to see it's a car that just hasn't been messed with a whole lot. Very good car. What I would describe this car as just a good, solid, original Mopar. Factory T3 bronze metallic. It's got the tan top, the tan interior, Buckets Council car. It's all matching numbers. When I say that, the engine and the transmission both match. It does have the original 8 3/4 rear end with a 323 gear, but matching numbers 440 with the matching numbers 727 Torqueflite trans in it. Disc brakes. It's got the rally wheels on it. Like I say, just a good straight old Mopar, guys. You can see the chrome and stainless are original. You can kind of pick at the paint a little bit. Again, it has been repainted and they did a nice job. At least the outside, I'm going to say, has been repainted. A lot of the stuff on the under the engine compartment stuff, that's actually original. I'll tell you, we really didn't do much to this car. They had some, everybody does their own thing. You kind of had some chrome stripping and stuff like that that we kind of took off that he had underneath the hood, but I laugh because, you know, we always tell people that's what makes hot rod and hot rod. Everybody does something different, but we have not had to really do much of this. Matter of fact, I didn't even, the underneath is still the North Carolina clay on the bottom of this thing. Good straight car down the sides. Again, it's got the rally wheels on it. Set of Cooper Cobras, white letter tires. You see original tail panel for this car, as you can see, so it's got some pitting in it. Looks like they've replaced this rear bumper. The car does have the front disc brakes. Matching numbers, 440 cubic inch engine, stock 4-barrel, stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds. You can see it's got the original Mopar radiator, power steering, power front disc brakes. And again, most of that, the paint that you're looking at here is actually original. Now they've had to touch up in here on the core support and stuff. You had some chrome stripping on here, guys. You had some chrome stripping down here along the sides. Again, to each their own, man. Everybody does something different. Again, you can see underneath the hoods are original. Car's only got, I think it's 95,000 original miles on it. A-pillar chrome's pretty nice. I always try to point that out in the videos, guys, because that's something that's not easy to get your hands on. Looks like original door handles, original mirror there. It's a remote mirror. I think all this interior here is original, guys. Bucket seats, console. They might have replaced these seat covers, guys. They look a little bit new. Factory dash, 95, 116 on the odometer. Factory AM radio. Little lights in the console and stuff work. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust, 8 3/4, 323 rear end. Got some receipts for the stuff that he's done to it over the years, your owner's manuals. You can see it's still got the original insulation on the quarters. It's got a redline, that's a redline bias ply spare with the jack. Let's see its body color in here. It's original in the trunk. It's just a good, solid old car. Dash is nice. Left Jay fired up. Oh shoot. They just reminded me I missed it, man. I didn't go underneath. Sorry guys. That's what happens if you start rushing. It's kind of starting to spit some rain out here. See, it's got new Flowmaster dual exhaust. The orange you're seeing, that is that North Carolina clay. It's right on the floorboard still. Again, the 8 3/4 rear end. Go ahead, Jay. Plus, I'm running out of voice here. A little patina, it's still pretty darn nice. Sounds like it's got a little bit of exhaust leak on this side. Probably the donut gasket, I'm going to guess, because it's got new mufflers on it. It's got a little exhaust leak on it. It's on this side. I don't know if that fuel gauge is working. Is it that low? Maybe we'll check it. We'll check that fuel gauge, guys. They said it was up, so could be the connection, could be the ground. Got one reverse light bulb out. See, they work. Got a good sound to it. Lower motor works. Radio. I'm not hearing anything. I don't think so. Oh, got it? Radio works, guys. Hopefully you can see that one over there. Fender mount turn signals work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's just a good, honest car right there. Have a great day, guys.